Alright guys, so I am going to show you how to take off the panel on the T-top here. That way you can get to the trim right here. I actually have a screw on either side that is loose. So I'm going to do that just because it bothers me. And every once in a while I got to make sure it's popped in all the way, and it's a good way to break the clip. So first things is I'm going to remove that screw right there, that one right there. I'm gonna unlock the door, and then also what I'm gonna do is I'm going to slide up the button here, and with a flathead screwdriver, there you go, flathead screwdriver, I'm gonna just stick it underneath there and just carefully pop this up. This button comes off. And then lastly, that screw right there. So let me do that, and then we will go from there once I get that off. Alright, so now you've taken off that screw, popped off that lock clip, took out that screw, and have taken out that screw. You now should be able to pop this. There are clips under here, so you do want to be careful. Oh, I'm gonna need two hands, but we're gonna pop this out nice and gently. Okay, and then once we do that, you gotta just twist it sideways to pull it out. Set that aside. Alright, so next you're gonna want to take this trim off. What you're gonna want to do is be very careful, but you're gonna push down and pull out. And we're going to do that all the way across here. And what we're going to do is, let's see if I can get, this one's got light. So you can see the tip of that screw there. There's actually 4 screws that hold this silver trim in right here that we're going to want to take out. So there's one there, one in that corner, one right there, and then one in that corner as well too. So I'm going to unscrew those, and we'll be able to take this off. Alright, now that we got that out, next step is we're going to take out these screws. We got one right here, one on the other side, and then these bolts. Looks like maybe a 10 millimeter. I'm going to go grab my ratchet, but I'm going to do that right now, and then we'll see what's next. Alright, so next, taking out these 4 screws, 2 on each side, right there and right there. So next we want to take a flathead and just slightly bend this. We'll be able to fix this when we put it back in, but you want to just make sure it gets over that bushing right there, and then here as well. And then next I'm going to push these down and out. That is, let's see if I can pull it for you. That is this. So it's what you see on the other side of the T-tops. So take those out, and then I'll show you what's next. So, and with that, you should now be able to pry this out, and you'll be able to get to the clips that hold in the trim underneath there. So hopefully this helps. You do want to be very careful. As you can see, somebody already, the guy who had the car before me already, kind of sealed it. So I'm gonna be very careful and undo what he did, and then of course redo it again. But yeah, it's really as straightforward as that. So just keep track of all your screws, make sure you know where they are and where they go, and you'll be good to go. So thanks guys.